Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I am Sravya. Today we are going to make coriander paneer bites. List of ingredients and quantity required are in the description. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss the notification when a video is uploaded on this channel. Now let's get started. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame and add cumin seeds, hing, finely chopped onions, green chillies and saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add minced carrots, capsicum, cabbage and ginger garlic paste. I mince the vegetables using a knife. You can use a chopper if you want. Saute the vegetables until they get soft. It takes roughly around 5 to 7 minutes. After the vegetables are soft enough, add coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, red chilli powder, salt and saute until the raw smell is gone. All the cooking process should be done on medium flame. You can also add turmeric powder at this point, but the red chilli powder I used today already has turmeric in it, so I didn't need to add any extra turmeric powder. Once the masalas are cooked, switch off the flame and let the mixture cool. Once the mixture is cooled down completely, add grated paneer, coriander and corn. Yeah, lots of coriander. We can't call it a coriander paneer bite unless we use a considerable amount of coriander, right? Mix everything and check for taste. You can add seasoning at this point if you want. After mixing everything, add processed cheese. This step is completely optional. If you don't want to add cheese, you can skip to the next step. But if you add cheese, make sure the seasoning is a little bit extra while mixing the paneer. After adding the cheese, make sure you mix well so that the cheese is fully incorporated and there are no lumps. After everything is mixed well, take 1 tablespoon of mixture and make bite-sized pieces of your desired shape. I am making it in discs so that I can shallow fry them using less oil. Once all the discs are completed, dip them in egg mixture and coat with brown bread crumbs. If you are a vegetarian, you can also use all-purpose flour slurry instead of egg. If you don't like the taste of brown bread, you can also use white bread crumbs. Once all are coated with breadcrumbs, heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot enough, place the discs in oil and fry them. You can also deep fry them if you want. If you want the bites to be more crispy, you can double coat them with breadcrumbs. Don't fry them on too high or too low heat. High heat will burn them and low heat will make them absorb more oil. Make sure you fry them on medium to high heat. Once they are golden brown in color, take them out of the oil and place on a napkin. After the excess oil is absorbed by the napkin, enjoy the coriander paneer bites with ketchup. Try this recipe and let me know how it tasted in the comment section. Take a picture of the dish and tag me on Instagram. If you have any suggestions or video requests, write in the comment section or tweet it. All my social media links are in the description. Thank you for tuning into this channel and watching my video till the end. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.